Number 11. Turn on. It means to activate or start the operation of a device.
Please turn on the lights in the room. Please turn on the lights in the room. He turned on the TV to watch the news. He turned on the TV to watch the news. Can you turn on the heater? It's cold. Can you turn on the heater? It's cold.
Number 12. Turn off. It means to deactivate or stop a device from operating.
Don't forget to turn off the lights. Don't forget to turn off the lights. She turned off the oven after baking. She turned off the oven after baking. He turns off his phone at night. He turns off his phone at night.
Number 13. Turn down. It means to reduce the volume, intensity, or temperature.
Can you turn down the radio a bit? Can you turn down the radio a bit? She turned down the heat on the stove. She turned down the heat on the stove. He turns down the offer politely. He turns down the offer politely.
Number 14. Turn up the music. It means to increase the volume of the music.
Let's turn up the music for the party. Let's turn up the music for the party. He turned up the music in his car. He turned up the music in his car. She likes to turn up the music while cleaning. She likes to turn up the music while cleaning.
Number 15. Turn to. It means to seek help, advice, or comfort from someone or something.
When in trouble, she turns to her family. When in trouble, she turns to her family. He turns to books for relaxation and knowledge. He turns to books for relaxation and knowledge. Students turn to their teacher for guidance. Students turn to their teacher for guidance.